Hi, I'm Dean. I'm a third-year cognitive science and media studies double major. I am an international student from Singapore, and I am kind of a mess. Not just in the physical sense, which I try to keep in check, keyword try, but it also feels like there's just a bajillion things going on in my head all the time. Like, what am I eating today? Do I still have anything edible? Or am I gonna have to think out of the box again? Speaking of thinking out of the box, it's funny that most of my creative work happens within the confines of a box. I love making videos, whether it's about road trips, college chaos, or music. I'm really shy in person, even though I try to hide it, so reframing my life through videos is kind of how I'm learning to take back my narrative. It's really nice when you can just splice out all the moments of self-doubt that you have and just keep the parts where you actually feel like yourself. Outside of editing videos on my own, I'm part of WUVA, which is a multimedia CIO, and the org that helped me make the leap from iMovie to Adobe Premiere. If, like everyone who's heard of us, you're wondering why we're called WUVA, we used to be a radio station, but I guess the W can stand for something like web content now. Outside of video stuff, I'm in Alpha Kappa Delta Phi, an Asian interest sorority, which has taught me a lot about Asian American culture and also significantly added to my non-trivial sweater collection. I also play the guitar, specifically a genre called math rock that's characterized by irregular time signatures and a lot of crazy finger tapping. I actually find it easier than strumming because, like many Singaporean kids, I played the piano growing up, so tapping on the guitar is pretty similar to that. I would say that all these experiences in their own indirect way have helped me be here with you guys in promo today. So this is another fun fact. When I heard that our client was going to be Oculus, I was so hyped because way back in 2016, I made my first ever vlog for a science competition, got a chance to fly to Silicon Valley because of it, and at the award dinner, bumped into someone who linked me up to a tour of Oculus HQ. Trying on the Oculus Rift there for the first time was one of the defining moments of my life. I felt like I could shed my skin and be a whole new person without the usual limits of a box. Since then, I've dreamt about doing something related to VR, except I've since realized that I'm a terrible coder, so the chance to promote the brand and share this experience instead is something that I'm really excited about. So that's enough about me. I hope you learned something about my life, and I cannot wait for our journey ahead together. So let's do our best to win this.